Well, it's officially pool season, but I guess not today. But if you're ready for a cool summer cocktail, our Jillian Lopez has an easy recipe that you can make at home.
Well, sitting poolside just isn't complete without a nice cold drink in your hand, and our partners at All Recipes share how to make the real Long Island iced tea.
Get your mini umbrellas ready because we're learning how to make the real Long Island iced tea, the perfect refreshing drink for a warm summer day. Start with a ½ ounce of vodka, followed by rum, then gin, then tequila, then triple sec, and then up a full ounce of sweet and sour mix. Put the lid on your mixing tumbler and shake it up. Shake, shake, shake. And then, just like that, you are ready to pour into a glass. To give that iced tea effect, add 1 ounce of cola. Garnish with a slice of lemon. Then, of course, the best part, a tiny umbrella. And now you have the perfect summer cocktail.
And for more.
Well, that's a strong one. Again, Jillian grabbed that from All Recipes. You can check out the magazine or go online to allrecipes.com where you can find great recipes for drinks, desserts, apps, entrees, and it's all in one place.